So you can tell that this lawnmower is running rough. I'll show you a quick way to determine if it's your air filter or not. If your air filter is really easy to get to, just pull it out and you'll hear the change immediately. Now there can be other reasons why your lawnmower is running rough. Now you could just replace the filter and you're good to go, but I'm going to show you another method that's a lot cheaper. This paper filter is really dirty. And if you're wondering if it's possible to clean them out, I do this all the time. You don't want to get too aggressive with the paper, and I like to use a degreasing type of soap. You can see that the water is just getting filthy. But if you look at the filter through the light, you can see a lot of light coming from this filter. I'm going to use the air compressor to get some of the air out, but you could just let it dry overnight. Now, if you did tear the paper, you could glue it back together with hot glue. A lot of these filters use hot glue in the first place. Now, you do have to make sure that the filter is completely dry. Letting it sit overnight is a real easy way to do that. And now with the filter clean and dry, when you start it, it sounds good. And let me pull out the filter and you can see there's no change in idle. So the engine can breathe as it should. I'll go ahead and take the choke off and you can hear that the idle increases. If I pull off the filter, no difference in idle. So if you're wondering if it's your air filter or not, don't just guess and change it. Do this little test first. It could be something else and you wouldn't know it was your filter. This test verifies it was your filter. Well, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.